Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from Sweetie Hair. I want to explain a little bit about what's going on in this video. So I dyed it this color using Adore Honey Brown. The swatch in the hair store looked a little bit darker than this color right here, and I didn't like it on myself, so you'll see me go through the process of installing it using Got2b gel and Got2b spray. I'm not going to talk too much through that part because it's pretty self-explanatory, but I will pop back in shortly. So to make the process of installing my wig a little bit quicker, I had blow dried, flat ironed, and hot combed the wig back into place, just so that when I went to go put it on my head, I wouldn't have to do all of those steps. Before I go in with the Got2b gel, I like to cut off the lace. I usually use an eyebrow razor just to give me that jagged edge along the hairline so that it's not too bluntly cut and standing out. Now that my wig is ready to install, I'm going to go in with the black Got2b and put a thin layer along my hairline. I like to put on a second layer of the gel before I go in with the Got2b hold spray, and then I blow dry everything until it's pretty tacky and ready for me to mold my wig down. If there's any lace sticking up, I like to go in with the Got To Be Insta Hold and just spray along the edges and also get rid of that white cast at the same time. Once I'm finished installing the wig, I'm starting to realize I don't really like this color on me. I tried to curl it to see if I would like it curled instead. So I curled one side, and I wanted to show you guys, I curled one side off camera, and then I came back on and I wanted to show you how I did the flat iron curls on the other side. So here's this. After both sides were curls, I tried to play with it. I tried to put it in the side part, but I just was really not feeling this color on myself. It made me feel like one of those like golden russet potatoes. I don't know, I just felt like it was just not the right color for me.
The next day.
So the next day I went back to the store and I got this Adore Mocha Semi-Permanent Die. I used the watercolor method again, which you'll see here, and I just dunked the wig in. The same wig from yesterday, I just pulled it right off, so it still had like Got To Be on it. And as you can see, it's closer to the color I wanted, which was like a chocolate brown. That's what I was going for. Unfortunately, I ended up dyeing the knots as well, and I couldn't fix that, but I was able to kind of cover it up with baby hairs. So now I have blow dried the wig and installed it the same way I did the day before. So this is what it's looking like, and this is the color is a lot better this time around. I did pluck the front a little bit just so that it was a little thinner, because it was pretty dense when I first got it. So here you'll see me just kind of going through the motions. I'm putting it in the side part. today to see if I like that better, but this is a lot closer to the chocolate brown color I was trying to achieve. For my baby hairs, I didn't do them all on camera, but I did use Wetline Extreme Gel on my baby hairs, which I actually prefer because it doesn't mess up my install after I've, glued everything down what got to be. I've used like mousse, even like alcohol-free mousse, and like my whole install would just get messed up and like lift up, and I hate that. So I don't have that problem with the Wetline Extreme Gel, so that's what I've been using on my baby hairs lately. After that is done, I went in and curled a portion of my hair, and I wanted to curl the rest on camera. Again, I'm doing the flat iron curls, but I just wanted to show you guys since it's a little bit of a different style. Now that I'm finished curling my hair, I went ahead and took off my elastic band, just to show you guys my baby hairs and what they look like. Don't talk about my swoop. That's my first time doing a swoop, and I'm happy about it. Mind your business. So I definitely feel this color a lot better. After that, I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I just put that in my part just to kind of define that a little bit. So this is the finished look. I really like how this came out the second time around. Please let me know in the comments which color you liked better. But this hair is also pretty good quality. It was very soft and it dyed and bleached very well. If you have any other questions or wigs you'd like to see, let me know down below. Thank you.